Introducing the 2026 Cupra Terramar VZ Ehybrid with 272 horsepower and a stunning purple exterior. This estate/Jeep is powered by a 1.5 litre petrol/plug-in hybrid electric engine with automatic transmission, packed with luxurious features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking for safety. It also boasts styling elements like roof rails and spoiler. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line hybrid. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.